The High Risers just locked in another building block with the second overall pick in the 2025 PVL Draft. Galleries Tower selects Jean Assis of Far Eastern University.
Oh, yeah. Yung naging journey ko sa volleyball, hindi naman siya naging madali. Ako yung dating player lang na hindi talaga alam maglaro. Pero nakitaan ng potential ng FEU. They gave me a chance na, alam mo yun, ma-develop and to improve yung mga skills na wala talaga ako. Hi, I'm Jean Assis from FEU Lady Tamaraos. What made me decide na mag-join na sa PVL? Siguro yung family ko, para din sa sarili ko. Gusto ko na kasing lumabas sa comfort zone ko. Ayoko nang mag-stay ako doon. Gusto kong i-challenge yung sarili ko sa higher level ng pagiging adult. Madi-describe ko yung playing style ko. Matapang ako inside the court. Hindi ako natatakot sa kung sino man yung nakakaharap ko. Sobrang halaga sa akin na makakalaro ako sa PVL kasi dati kasi siyang pangarap and ngayon parang fit na ako doon sa pangarap ko na yon. Sobrang excited ako na finally mag-PBL na po. Sa future team ko, makakaasa kayo na hindi lamang happiness or joy yung madadala ko sa team, kundi makakapag-contribute ako inside or outside the court.
Now that is Jean Assis. She played 4 years with FEU. She's the second overall pick in the 2025 PVL draft. Now, Mama Phil, this is a great addition to the Galleries Tower High Risers. We saw how she played in FEU with her running attacks. It's a good addition to her team.
Perfect fit for the Galleries Towers. Yes. And na-share nga ni Jean na nag-training siya, nag-try out siya sa Galleries. And, you know, she felt like, you know, Coach Lerma really liked her as a player. So she can work with Coach Lerma. So let's go to Alexis to interview our second overall pick draft.
Jean, congratulations! Ikaw ang pangalawang overall draft pick here in the PVL Rookie Draft. Ano ang pakiramdam na ngayon, finally, nakamit mo na ang pangarap mo?
Wait lang, kinakabahan talaga.
It's okay, relax.
Yun po, syempre, as an athlete, nasa PVL na, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam, sobrang saya. Kasi finally, andito na, yung dream ko lang before, andito na. So, ayun po, thank you po sa tiwala, especially po kay Coach Lerma. And yun po, hindi po kayo magsisisi na, yan, gagawin ko din po yung best ko.
And finally, we can't wait to see more of Jean here in the PVL. And together with our team representative of the Galleries Tower High Risers, how do you feel po that you have the power of Jean Assis with the Galleries now?
I think we're in a special spot, di ba? Kasi syempre yung second pick out yan to prove herself na mas gagalingan niya pa si first round pick. So very thankful kami na available pa si Jean. Tapos good luck sa practice bukas. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Again, yung training starts tomorrow. All dreams here in the PVL Rookie Draft. Now, of course, the clock will be ticking for our next team. Back to you, Jamie and Phil. Oh, but before that, we have a special someone. You have your father who has supported you since day one. So let's hear a message from the dad of Jean.
Thank you so much, Alexis. Yes, I am with the father of Jean Assis, Mr. Ronaldo Assis. Sir, very emotional po kayo na yun. How does it feel na yun, part na ng PVL si Jean?
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon. Pangalawa sa Galleries Tower High Risers. Si Ma'am Lerma Hiron, maraming salamat po, Coach, sa inyong tiwala. Sobrang saya ako kasi isa ito sa mga pangarap niya na makapaglaro sa PBL. Kaya congrats, anak. Galingan mo.
And we have no doubt na gagalingan talaga ni Jean Assis. And with that, we can turn it back now to